Finding the arc length. Pause the video and write down the formula to find the arc length of a sector. To find the arc length, first of all, an arc is part of the circumference of a circle. Now the circumference of a circle, the formula for that is pi d, or 2 pi r if you prefer. To find the arc length, it's going to be a fraction of the full amount. The fraction can be written as theta over 360, where theta is the angle that creates the sector out of the full turn 360 degrees. Pause the video and have a go at example 2. In example 2, we have to find the length of the arc, so it's indicated here. You actually have two arcs. You've got a major arc, the larger one, and a minor arc, the smaller one. So if you're going to find out the circumference of that circle, the whole way around it, it will be pi d. But if you just want a fraction of the whole way around, then it would be whatever angle it is, theta, over 360 multiplied by pi d. I'll use L for the arc length. In this example, we want to have 50 out of 360 degrees. That's the fraction we need of the full turn. We then multiply that by pi and multiply it by the diameter. Now the radius of this circle is 4, so the diameter is going to be double that, which would be 8. So we multiply that answer by 8. So in your calculator we do 50 divided by 360, multiply it by pi and multiply it by 8. And that gives 3.49. And that is to 2 decimal places. And it's a length, it's an arc length, so that will be in centimetres.